What if you could test all of Go High Level and land your first client before paying a single cent? The secret most people miss: if you sign up on the standard homepage, you only get 14 days. To double that, you must click the official offer link in my description below. Clicking that official link takes you to a special bootcamp page that unlocks a full 30-day free trial plus free live training. Just drop your name and email, then pick a plan. The starter is $97 a month and unlimited is $297. You'll add billing info to start, but you won't be charged a single dollar during your 30 free days, and you can cancel risk-free in just 2 clicks. 30 days is plenty of time to launch a funnel using their templates, automate your workflows, and sign your first paying client so the tool pays for itself. Remember, don't go to the regular site and lose half your trial. You must click the official link in the description right now to claim your extended 30-day trial and bootcamp bonus. Drop a like and subscribe if this helped.